Hey Rovers, I am pleased to announce that we have entered into a partnership with Chesapeake Lightcraft to produce quality plywood kits so you can build a Wave Rover 650. Now, before they can start cutting the kits out and selling them, what we have to do is we have to find out how much interest is actually out there for the 650, because Chesapeake Lightcraft has to do a lot of engineering to make this a CNC compatible set of plans. So I'm going to put my email in the video description, and I want you to, if you're interested in one of these kits, I want you to reach out to me. Now, the estimated cost at this point, based on the number of sheets of plywood, the epoxy, the fiberglass, is $10,000 US. Now, this is an estimate. It might be a little bit more, it might be a little bit less. So how does that compare to the actual cost of building one of these the way I did, just from a set of plans? Well, the set of plans, you purchase them, and then you have to go and purchase the plywood, the epoxy, the fiberglass, and that's what the kit is all about. The kit does not include the sails, the keels, any of that stuff. That stuff you can source locally, and you can see in my videos how I do that. So what is the price difference? Well, in round figures, it cost me about $6,000 US. So the kit we're estimating is going to be $10,000 US. So for basically a difference of $4,000, you get all the parts pre-cut. And the difference also is going to be that when you do the kit, it is precision. So everything will just snap together the way it was designed on paper. Whereas in my case, there's probably a little, well, the bulkheads, I custom fit all of them. So, these are some of the differences. Which is better? Well, both are going to require a certain amount of skill. Of course, if you build without the kit, it would require more skill, although I tried to show that in the videos. But if you build from the kit, it's not as though well, put it this way, you should be able to build a birdhouse and maybe a sawhorse before you tackle one of these in the kit form, because it still will require a certain amount of expertise. Not a huge amount. With patience and with thought, you're going to be successful either way. Now, as many of you know, Andy, who's the naval architect who designed the Wave Rover 650, well, he's a partner in this yard, which is Rotabush Yacht and Engine Works, and they have the facilities and expertise to be able to build these kits on your behalf. So if you're interested in that option, contact Andy directly, and I'll put his email in the video description. So, in short, forge your own adventure.